Trivia time. We're making a dish today that could be breakfast, lunch, brunch, or dinner. And it has all the major food groups in it.
A Mediterranean quiche, that's what we're making. And it has a flaky crust stuffed with tons of veggies, cheese, and fresh eggs. Start by heating olive oil in a large frying pan, and then add in the mushrooms, onions, salt, and pepper. Give it a good stir and let it begin to cook and soften. Add in the red bell peppers and give it a stir again, allowing the veggies to continue cooking. The finely chopped garlic goes in and lower the heat. Pile on the spinach leaves and place a lid on tightly. This will allow the spinach to quickly wilt, and just after a few minutes, the garlic is super fragrant and the spinach is cooked enough that it can all be stirred together. Transfer the veggies to a cutting board if your cooked veggies are still looking a bit chunky like mine are here, and run your knife through it a few times. This will allow the flavors to be evenly distributed through the filling. In a large mixing bowl, in go the eggs, beat them with a fork, and then add in the sautéed veggies, half of the crumbled feta and half of the mozzarella cheese. Stir that all around until it's combined well. If you're using a homemade crust like my flaky gluten-free version here, get down to business rolling it out and getting it set up in the pie plate. A store-bought crust is perfectly fine too. You know your audience. Pour the filling into the prepared crust, top with the remaining crumbled feta and mozzarella cheeses, and then in the oven it goes. Out it comes all toasty and cheesy. Slice it up and you're ready to dig in.
And of course, you can mix up the vegetables and the cheeses, and the varieties of quiche that you can make are absolutely endless.
You can find the recipe for Mediterranean quiche at homeofshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.